Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make the Pioneer Woman's recipe for pepperoni chicken. So for this Pioneer Woman recipe for pepperoni chicken, it's so easy and it's already keto friendly. We are going to cut 2 chicken breasts in half lengthwise. So I just put my chicken breast down, put my palm on top, and go along with a sharp knife carefully. Just like that. That one could have been better. I'll try better on the next one. That's better. Okay, this is my chicken hand. This is my seasoning hand. I'm going to season both sides with salt and pepper. Well, just salt right now. Then I got to wash my hands and then I'll do pepper. We want to season them pretty generously. This is going to be topped with pepperoni, which is kind of salty, so. Okay, we've got our chicken seasoned and it's ready to cook. We're going to heat a large skillet here with some avocado oil. So I've got a hot skillet here with avocado oil, and now I'm going to cook the chicken on both sides. I'm going to cook 2 at a time just so we don't crowd the pan. Okay, we've got our chicken all cooked. So I'm going to remove that from the pan. And now we are going to add some marinara sauce. Ooh. Steamy. I'm going to use my tongs just to scrape the bottom to get all of that, delicious stuff from the chicken off the bottom. And now I'm going to put the chicken back in the pan, in the sauce. Okay, we've got our chicken in there. And now we're going to top it with pepperonis. And you can buy just regular pepperoni from the store. We bought a stick of pepperoni and cut them into bigger pieces, and I think that it just is prettier. And I really like pepperoni flavor, so these will be really good in pepperoni. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, and now we're gonna top with some slices of mozzarella cheese. You can use provolone too if you want. Now we're gonna cover with a lid for the cheese to melt. Okay, our cheese is melted, and look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Let me show you how delicious and cheesy these look. Be sure you check out this recipe on the Pioneer Woman's website, and make sure you check out these other recipes that I have linked here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.